Hello, I am Katie Adams from the craftyblogStalker.com, and I am going to show you how to upload an image from Google into Cricut Design Space. There are lots of places you can find your images. You can either get them on Google. I'm going to go to Pinterest and type in jumping bass vector. While I'm looking through these files, I do want to point out that uploading images found online is for personal use only. You can get big fines for copyright, so personal use only, never sell these items. There is my guide that I want right there. So I'll click on that and view image. I'm going to right click and save the image. You'll see it is a little fuzzy. When uploading into Cricut Design Space, you really need nice, crisp, clear images. This image upscaler is free. It will upscale up to about 4,000 pixels. It's imgupscaler.com. Pull in that file and start. It is done, so now I can download. Back in Cricut Design Space, select Upload, Upload Image. Then I can drag and drop that file that we upscaled. Hit Continue. I like to change my color tolerance to 150. I think it just gives me better lines. Using the Select tool, I'm going to select the areas that I want to erase, which is basically just all of those white sections. Anywhere where I can see the checkered, that means it is clear. I can check my progress by hitting the preview. So I know I need to clear that one still. Whoops, I hit the wrong area. So we'll close it. I need to hit that one and that little piece and then that piece in there. That looks really good. So apply and continue. I'm going to do this single layer. A flat graphic is if you're going to print it. I'm not going to print it. I'm going to cut it out. So I'll select single layer, continue. I can name it largemouth bass. Upload. Now I have that design that is a good high quality image that I can easily cut with my Cricut. If you want more Cricut tutorials, make sure to check out my website, thecraftyblogStalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.